Volvo's engineers and designers have a vision for the future that is both electric and autonomous. That vision has taken form in a new concept car called the Volvo 360C. This is how the engineers and designers at Volvo see the future. This is the Volvo 360C concept. It is fully autonomous. It is electric. It is a starting point.
The Volvo 360 concept is really an exploration of design possibilities of what a full autonomous, full electric car could bring. I mean, in recent years, we've all seen a lot of different autonomous vehicle concepts, but to be honest, they've mainly focused on the technical possibilities. But Volvo is a human-centric brand, so we actually wanted to explore how full autonomous vehicles fit into the needs of people.
With the 360C, Volvo is also proposing standardized communication technologies so vehicles can communicate efficiently and more safely with everything in the area, including other vehicles.
Moving into a world where we have autonomous cars mixed with pedestrians, bicyclists, and other cars, we need to look into a universal standard for communication from autonomous car to the surrounding. And today the communication with the driver is very subtle, but with an eye contact. We need to translate that. With the 360C, we present the results from our research. And this research shows that communications through lights, sounds, and body motions is the way to show the intentions of the car.
Because this is a vehicle that drives itself, different interiors have been developed, allowing passengers to ride, work, and even sleep while going down the road. The team at Volvo believes vehicles like the 360C could even be an alternative to air travel.
Domestic air travel sounds good when you book your ticket. In reality, it's a hassle going through the airport before you actually end up on the plane. So you spend more time going into the plane than on the plane, and it's not really pleasant at all. The airplane industry is gigantic. We have hundreds of millions of domestic air travel every year, and it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. So it's a massive business opportunity to find an alternative to this. The 360 concept is a way to start thinking about airlines on wheels instead of airlines on wings. Suddenly a car could compete with domestic air travel, and you could view Volvo then as an aircraft manufacturer. When the Wright brothers invented aviation in 1903, they could not possibly have imagined the future of air travel. But they started something, and that leap of faith, the first 15 meters of flying, that was really the starting point for everything we see now. And I view the 360 also as a starting point. It's more like the Wright Flyer than it's the final solution, but it will be a starting point for something totally different.
Safety and autonomous drive, they really go hand in hand. Autonomous drive will give you time back, it will give you comfort, relaxation, but it will also increase the safety because it will take the stress and strain out of driving and increase the safety of the traffic situation. Autonomous drive will be introduced gradually, of course, and with that comes a mixed traffic situation. Non-autonomous cars mixed with autonomous cars, and that of course will add extra challenges. There will potentially be accidents also in the future, so we cannot forget about the protective safety. This will be as important in an autonomous car as it is in today's cars.
Volvo is not the first to develop a concept like this, but it does have its own unique characteristics, and it does bring us one step closer to that first step toward the future.
It's really about going from selling cars into delivering mobility services to our customers. Autonomous drive is, of course, very interesting and will be a groundbreaking technology, changing a lot. First of all, it enables us to take the really big next step when it comes to safety, but it also enables the consumers to spend hours in the car doing something else than just sitting driving.
I think we are right now in a moment where we really need to discuss together how we would like our future cities to be. Yeah, if you look at a city, it's really designed around communication. That's the whole idea of a city. 1 million people living in the same place, but you need to communicate, you need to move around. It used to be by feet, by ship, by horse and carriage, and now it's by car. But of course, you also know how it is in the cities with all the congestion, all the parked cars. If you had driverless cars which could move around, did not need to park, they can be silent because they are electrical, it could really change the way a city looks like.
Want to save up to 40% on your next car? Learn how with Insurance Claim Auto Auctions, Canada-wide with worldwide shipping. StarkAutoSales.com, a better way to buy a car, in person or online.
The Super Geeks Pandora Box 11 Plus is the ultimate retro video game system with upgraded computer processor, full high-definition video output for use on modern TVs, arcade-quality backlit buttons and toggles, the most games with over 3,000 8-bit and 16-bit classics, Super Mario, Pole Position, Mario Andretti Racing, and thousands more. Call 1-866-248-1490 or order online at supergeeksuperstore.com. Super Geeks,